Who is ready for an awesome ratio type problem? I think I am. I know I am. You are? Okay, cool. The length of the base of a certain parallelogram is double the length of its height. If the length of the base of this parallelogram is tripled and the length of the height is quadrupled, how many times larger is the area of the new parallelogram? My mind is currently exploding, okay? First thing I'm going to do is I'm going to throw down a parallelogram. So it says the length of the base of a certain parallelogram is double the length of its height. So let's call the height in this one x, and it says the length of the base is double the length of its height. So this would be 2x right here. Okay. Whew. Awesome, right? Our base and our height, they're perpendicular to each other. We're good to go on this one. Now it says that the length of the base of this parallelogram is tripled and the height is quadrupled. How many times larger is the area of the new parallelogram? Well, how about this? Let's first get an area formula for this one, which is just base times height. So that'd be 2x times x, which is 2x squared. So at least we've got the area of our OG parallelogram, right? Now let's throw down a new parallelogram. Shall we? We shall. All right. So obviously it's not quite as big as it's supposed to be, but I'd run out of room. Okay. So if the length of the base of this parallelogram is tripled, so the base is tripled. So now I'm going to be dealing with what? 6x, right? 6x, it's triple, right? The 3 times 2x equals that 6x, okay? And then the length of its height is quadrupled. So 4 times x would just be 4x. I don't think I need to write that one out. So now my area formula for this one is, once again, base times height. So 6x times 4x, that's going to be 24x squared. Now it says, how many times larger is the area of the new parallelogram? Well, the new parallelogram is, well, 2 times what gives me 24? That'd be 12 times larger. Woo! Woo! Okay. Now, I want to look back into this problem and see if there's anything that we can, like, observe from here. The base was tripled and the height was quadrupled. Triple is 3, quadruple is 4. What's 3 times 4? It's 12. And if you're wondering, is that a coincidence that it was 12 times larger and the dimensions were tripled and quadrupled and that those two things multiplied together gives me 12? No, that is not a coincidence. That would happen every single time. All right? That's awesome. I love when things like that occur and we can say it happens every single time. See you.